Morning, Global Studies students. Mr. Ozine here. I wanted to quickly go through a video that looks at how to do the culture reading as we try to learn about culture and the different elements of it. I'm going to go to this week's folder, and inside the folder you will see what's called the culture folder. All right. The next step for our island is going to be creating a culture for our island. But before we do that, we need to learn and read about the elements that make up culture. So when you go into the culture folder, you'll notice there's one that says culture note sheet. Take this and put this into Notability, please. When you put this into Notability, it looks like a giant spider with some questions on there. All right. So you will notice in here that we have different groups with a 1, 2, and a 3. So what you are going to have to be doing is you will be reading the book pages that are in this folder. And for each of the elements of culture, you are going to write down 3 facts about them. Now, the facts that you want to write down, I always say the more detailed, the better. Some of these categories will have more notes than others. You're going to be then eventually taking these elements and choosing some of these elements to write about and create imagery about your culture on your island. So this is a Notability. Let me go back to the folder for culture, and here you will see the book pages that you need to do. So when you go to the book pages and you open them up, on the open pages, you will start to see some headings on there that you will need to do. So I'll go to another page, 84 and 85. Again, the headings will line up to what is on your note sheet and Notability. Social groups, religion, languages, daily life. So you will do 3 notes, for example, from language. Get this done, because when we come back later on this week, we're going to be then taking these elements and applying them to your island.